Karnataka Lokayukta has caught a police inspector while seeking a bribe of 4 lakh rupees. That's right. A cop was caught red-handed while seeking a bribe of 4 lakh rupees by Karnataka Lokayukta. The accused has been identified as Govindaraju, police inspector of KP Agrara police station. The inspector, in fact, was caught collecting a bribe to help the complainant, Muhammad Akbar, in a case in which he was the accused. And this is the latest update that we are getting for you. And in fact, he was caught red-handed. And there you can see the visuals as well of this cop being taken into custody. It's quite a bizarre case, in fact, that has emerged from Karnataka. A cop, in fact, was caught by the Lokayukta. He was taking bribe. Let's go across to Neha Hebale joining us live right now for more on this. Neha, it's a bizarre case there coming in from Karnataka wherein a cop was actually caught taking bribe red-handed.
Well, yes, Tina, in fact, it's almost become quite the norm here now. We're seeing that the Lokayukta police, in fact, going on track at another police inspector in Bengaluru from KP Agrahara police station. What we're picking up is that reportedly this accused cop here, Govindaraju, who was arrested by the Lokayukta police, was in fact caught red-handed taking a bribe. The Lokayukta police had laid a trap for him. Reportedly, he was seeking a bribe of about 4 lakhs from a complainant. In fact, of the complainant in this case, who was accused in another case under the limits of KP Agrahara. While, of course, Lokayukta continues to carry out, its traps and carry out its, its actions, of course, of going on to take action against government officials. This happens to be a big case now. We're seeing the video as well that surfaced of when the trap was laid. Quite a bit of drama there that prevailed when the Lokayukta police, in fact, moved in to make his arrest.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.